Welcome, boys. Tool room update. This will be the second to last tool room update, I think. It'll be the one right before we get everything else done. So, I think we last left off, we didn't have the drywall up yet, I don't believe. I think we just had the insulation in the walls. And so now I'll splice in a section I filmed where we do not have the paint yet, but we do have the drywall on and the mud on after the insulation video. So if you go back and look at the Tool Room Update 3 video, you'll see the insulation. We don't have drywall yet, but here we have the drywall and the mud, and then I've just got the lights on the ground, so they illuminate the room enough so I can see any high spots or anything in the mud, and so I can apply the mud, sand it as necessary. But we have not sanded yet. So I just figured I'd splice this in right quick just to show what it looked like before painting, since I didn't actually do a video update on the drywall installed and then the mudding completed before painting. Thought that was a kind of a important step, but not enough to make its own video. So, from in this area, my main garage, we have the door. We have fixed this low spot where that dipped down. Had to put a bunch of mud in there. That switch was always there. It used to be you'd flip it and then that would turn the outside light on. We have covered it up, the wood that we have support here, because this is a load-bearing wall. So after we knock the wall out, we have essentially several boards there. Same with on this side. Supporting it now. You can go see the previous videos for what it looked like before we got the drywall up. But we have multiple outlets. This is where the exterior porch light used to be, since this used to be the patio. So, since I can flip the switch on and off, I believe what I'm going to do is that big neon Chrysler sign I have is going to be plugged into that. So while I'm out here, I can flip that on, and then the other outlet could be for something. Maybe running power to the workbench, because I'm going to put the bench right here. So what I may do is get like a really long power strip, put on the bench, and then run power from there. So if I flip it on, then I can have power going to it. I guess, not sure. But I do believe that I think it's the power from here is connected here. I don't remember if that's his own circuit or not. I do know that conduit runs over there, and that's what powers everything on this wall on this side of the garage. And I'd have to have Steve confirm which all is on their own circuits. I believe the AC is on its own circuit, or it may share one more outlet, maybe that one. The lights are going to be attached here, so we have 10 of these guys. So we'll put one in, and then we'll just put all 10 lights up on the ceiling. And then this switch over here is what will turn them on. So I do have to walk all the way from in the garage over here, but as you can see with that light on, it's not like I won't be able to see to walk over here to turn it on. Not a big deal. I'm lazy, but I'm not that lazy. And then I wish I could remember which all are on their own circuit. But the AC will be there. It'll be able to draw its own amperage. Now with all these extra outlets, I'll be able to put the parts washer somewhere in here. And then air compressor. I have 2 of them, so I'll leave one in that garage, one in here. I probably will put the welder in here. It's currently underneath that shelf. to the right of the Beetle. Underneath there is where the acetylene welder and the MIG welder are. So they may stay there, but I may pull them out, move them in here. We'll figure that out, but we have the workbench itself is going to go over here. I'll have to figure out where these cabinets are going to go because I'm going to keep them. These are going to get hung up on the walls. They used to be hung up on, when there used to be a wall here on the other side of there. And I have another set of cabinets that Steve's given me that I can hang up above the tool room, or I mean above the workbench. I'll be able to do my leather work back here with the bench as well. So we'll have to move the grinder, I guess, to that. There's a 20-ton press I need to set up. I got from Harbor Freight. Saw. I don't use this thing often enough. I think that'll actually probably chill in the basement, maybe on a shelf or something. Maybe even in the shed when I build it. And then, of course, when we come out of here, we don't have the patio yet, but once the tool room's done, the next order of business is going to be trying to dig out the area where the patio is going to go. That way I can fill the area where the pool's going to go. The shed's going to go somewhere over here, so I got to dig that area out, and then also fill the area where the pool is so that can be leveled out. The truck's running again. We don't have the iron bolt bumper on it yet as a recording of this, but once we do, I fix my CB axles because I hear a clicking up front. Pretty sure that's where that noise is. Then I'll be able to haul all the gravel I need up in here and fill this area with gravel so I can build the portable garages back there for the Corvette and Camaro. And as you see, we do have the motion lights set up. We have exterior power here and here. It's also what I'm using to keep my vehicles on the trickle chargers. Got power here and here. So we're looking pretty good. These outlets can be used to charge the car, or I can run grinder or move the welder out here or anything like that now. So I got power for the outside. And then our motion lights back of the AC unit. And then once I get the patio and everything done, so like I said, coming around here, this will all be graveled, probably about a foot or so out. And then we'll use pavers to make the patio up to the area of the AC unit. Maybe beyond there, not sure yet. And then maybe a little path to go out, because I'm going to put my trash cans can be moved back here finally. Maybe a little spot right there on the other side of the AC unit, a little pad for them or something, and then I'll turn this into a gate and I can wheel them out and then around for trash day. I'll be able to just open the gate and then create a little path to go out there and then put them out on the street. But all in good time. So, alright, I just thought I'd shoot a little quick video for the tool room update so you can see where we are. And next video, hopefully this place will be semi-cleaned up. Still gonna have a bunch of junk in here because I won't have the shed built yet. But next time you see the tool room, we'll have lights up, walls and ceiling will be finished painting. And Katie's Beetle should be in here by then, or mine, whichever one works, because we're going to park them in tandem. And then I'm also going to do a little I think I'm going to do like a little concrete ramp. That way I can wheel up and down one of the vehicles so we'll be able to get in and out more easily. The other Beetle, whichever one's chilling back here. Same with the jack if I decide to keep it back here, or the fan, or the superheater. Anything with wheels on it, I can more easily roll up and down from inside the garage to out. So, we'll see. We'll see how I get everything organized, but once I get everything in here, I can start piling things up in the corner, essentially. That way the car can get in, and then I can be able to move around my car and get some work done. But, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it wasn't too long-winded for you. But if you want to see how this progresses and what it looks like when we're done, stay tuned. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.